welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my brand new challenge, 28 days to fit. Good morning, it is day 4 and we're ready to start. Again, we're starting with the butterfly stretch, but this time we're gonna add a little pressure on the knees. So open your hips, relax your shoulders, let go any tension, lift the chin a little bit, open your chest, and now push your knees away from you, push them into the mat, and optionally you can add some pressure with your hands here. Keep breathing all the time. Every time you press, you have to exhale. Now a little bit forward. And open your legs wide open. Now exhale and fold forward. Get down on your forearms. Breathe and hold here. Awesome job. Now we're moving to the next stretch. We're going to be doing the hip flexor pulses. So step into a deep, nice lunge. And from here, we're going to do some pulses here. So just press into and feel the stretch here in your hip flexors. Keep pulsing. So we're gonna pulse for 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, and now hold here. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and press and hold. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press and hold. Okay, now we're gonna reverse this into the hamstring stretch pulses. So just walk back, extend the front leg, and now again pulses down the leg. Okay, for 5, and then we're gonna hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold. You should feel the stretch in the back of the leg. Flex your foot. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. This is probably really two of the best stretches to improve your flexibility for splits. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Okay, great. Now we're gonna switch the legs. First going into the hip flexor stretch, pulse stretch. Okay, so place your leg as forward as you can. And now pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold. One more time, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold here. And one more time, last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really deep into the stretch. I know it hurts, but that's the only way you're gonna improve your flexibility, by showing up every day and doing the work. Okay, and now the hamstring stretch. Okay, now let me tell you your daily mantra, your daily affirmation. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Okay, keep repeating this in your mind while doing the stretches and pulses. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. And rest. Okay, nicely done. Woo. Okay. Remember, if you feel you really need to improve your flexibility, don't settle for just 5 minutes a day. Go for 3 times 5 minutes a day. I mean, you can repeat this in the morning, you can repeat this in your lunch break, and repeat this 5-minute stretch in your evening routine before going to bed. Okay, thank you so much for joining me for day 4. Here's your daily self-love assignment. Listen to your favorite song and dance it out. Okay, I'm gonna see you tomorrow.